So we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know you.
Hello and welcome to another video of PowerBi Masterclass series. Now in this video we're gonna see how we can replace our calculate function with some iterator function. So let's do that. Before that, let's visualize something. What I'll do, I'll go to this orders table and I'll select category. And here, let's add some measure here. Let's say I add this total sales here. Let's format this. So let's increase this size to 15 and column headers to 14 and make it blue. Now we have total category wise total sales. Now what I want to retrieve is I want the total sales, but the total sales for the particular row that should be greater than 500, means the sale should be greater than 500, whereas the amount should be less than 30. Let's see how we can do that using calculate function. Now let's go to this measures table and create new measure. Here let's increase the size, and here let's say I want subset of sales, subset, yeah, let's say subset sales, using calculate function. So I'll use calculate first, then I'll use another function, calculate function. Yeah, I like to use calculate. What I want to retrieve, I want to retrieve the total sales, and I'll filter using the filter expression, which is simply a filter table. It returns the filter table. You can also use the filter function to filter the table using an expression, or you can also pass the filter expression here. So let's say I want the sales, that is order stable sales. That sale should be greater than 500, and I want the amount should be less than 30. Let's enter it. Now let's set this on this visual. So where we have subset of sales, yeah, subset of sales. So here it is. So we used a calculate function, and we filtered using two conditions, that is the sales should be greater than 500 and the amount should be less than 30. Now use another function to get the similar results. So that is iterator function. So I'll use here iterator function called sumx. So I'll use subset sales. So let's say subset sales using iterator. iterator. And here I'll use iterator function called sumx function. All the x functions are sumx iterator functions. So here I need to pass the table. I'll use a filter table here. The table should be orders table here, and I'll filter this orders table using an expression, that is the sales amount should be greater than 500 and the amount should be less than 30. That's now what I want the total sales to be. I'll get the total sales. Let's hit enter now. Now let's select this visual and add this sale subset of sales using iterator. Now you can see we got the similar result using the iterator function. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.